What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. My name is Jepoy.
My name is Cha, and this is Calvin!
Calvin Jacob. In this video, we will be unboxing this bad boy.
The all-new Radian 3RXT
from Diono.
Who's excited? He's not excited. So, this little guy will be 6 months in 2 weeks' time. And we're about to return the capsule that we rented from one of the baby store here. The reason why we bought this is,
May sasabihin ka ba? May sasabihin ka?
ano?
May sasabihin ka to kasi harap ka sa camera.
So, not every car can fit 3 car seats in one row.
Magkaroon kami ng 3 babies. Kasya siya sa 5-seater na sasakyan. And one thing to consider, guys, when you're about to choose a car seat, make sure na yung car nyo is applicable or swak, you know, dun sa car seat na bibilhin ninyo. Kasi there's a lot of car seats out there, but depends actually sa design or model ng car. You just do your research para, you know, mas kampante yung loob nyo sa lahat ng sasakyan ni baby.
So, according dito, Diono can be used from birth up to 120 pounds or 54 kg.
54 kg. Pero kasi siya 30 years old na. Kasya pa siya dyan, guys eh. And so, with that said, mamaya pagka-install natin ng car seat, i-stress test na ni Cha yung car seat. Kasi 43 lang siya, guys. Kaya pa siya ng Diono. Di ba? Guys, no?
Rear facing din.
Rear facing, gusto mo?
Itong car seat na to has an ultimate impact protection, full steel frame, can be rear facing for longer time, unlike yung ibang car seat. Kaya yun din yung isang reason ba't namin siya napili.
Meron din siyang memory foam and infant insert para mas madali niyong malagay si baby sa loob ng car seat.
Tsaka mas comfortable ang
baby. Yes, and comfort. Let's do this!
Yay! Is infant insert. Ito yung base. May memory foam.
So, what to expect sa box? So, yun. Ito yung base ng car seat. So, dito nyo inano kapag rear facing pa lang si baby. Then, we have this slick design over here.
So, there are 2 ways kung paano nyo siya ilalagay sa car seat nyo. We can show it later. Pero, isa is yung normal na seat belt you can use. Or, using the Isofix.
What?
Wow!
So, ito na siya, guys. Remember, kapag meron siya sa likod na user's manual. Yup, nandito ang manual. Make sure na to read everything in here. Makikita nyo siya dito. So, ito yung likod, guys. Nandito lang siya. Here we go. There you go. There you go. User's manual.
According dito sa Safe Guide, from 2.3 to 22.7 kg, kailangan gamitin to as rear facing. And then, forward facing can be used from 10 to 29 kg.
Depende yan, guys, sa kung saan kayong country nandun. So, in New Zealand, kailangan rear facing ang inyong car seat from birth to 2 years old. And then, front facing na siya from 2 years old onwards. So guys, kapag i-install nyo yung base, so ito ay magka-clamp dito sa may metal part dito sa may baba. So, makikita nyo naman yun na dito nyo ilalagay yan. And mabilis lang siyang ikabit kapag na-hook nyo na siya pag gano'n. There you go. Alright, okay, let's go. Check natin kung paano natin to i-install. So guys, before natin install ang car seat, appreciate namin if you would give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit nyo na rin yung bell notification sa meron kayong update kapag nag-upload kami ng bagong video. So, let's get on with it.
Let's do this.
So guys, here's how to install the Diono car seat to your car. It should be like this. So there's two ways on how to install the car seat using the Isofix. So since ang aking sasakyan is Kia Carnival, so meron siyang Isofix dito. Nakita nyo siya rito. And pwede rin nyo rin gamitin ang normal seatbelt. So unahin muna natin ang seatbelt. So ipapadaan nyo lang yung seatbelt along dito sa may butas ng sasakyan, ng car seat. And then just buckle up. And then you are done. So that's how simple it can be. So the other way is using Isofix. Clamp nyo lang siya dyan. And then yung isa ay kaklamp nyo lang din dito. And then tighten it up. Which one are you going to use? For me, for personal preference, I'd love the seatbelt better. Kasi para sa akin, mas madali talaga siyang gamitin.
So finally, na-install na natin yung car seat ni Calvin. Pwede na kaming gumala. Yay! Yay! Thank you for watching our vlog. And
just remember guys, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
yay! See you later!
See you guys in the next video. Shoot!